Hi everyone, my name's Kinnan and I'm from 10SQ. Today I'm going to run you through an example of what we've called Better Compare App Pricing, which is a solution we created for our merchants based on three core issues they have with out-of-the-box compare app pricing on Shopify. The first was that whenever a product was discounted through compare app pricing and sold, the discounts wouldn't be surfaced within reporting. The second issue was that the discounts weren't properly presented to customers in the checkout, giving ambiguity around total savings. And the third and final issue we were looking to solve was the merchant's ability to control how different discounts would combine with compare app pricing. In this example, we're going to jump into the Thelma sandal and jump into the back end here and update our 35 size variant to $300, giving the customer a saving of 25% or $100. If we jump back into our product page and reload, as expected, we'll see that the product is now discounted. Once we add the product to cart and proceed to checkout, you'll see that the total savings of $100 are clearly presented to the customer in several places throughout the checkout. I'm going to jump back in and revert the total cost of that item back to RRP. And then we've set up a sale here to launch at 12/16 using Launchpad, which will discount our entire sale collection down to 25% off. You can obviously schedule themes with this as well, and also release products and update, total quantity for a drop style sale. If we jump back to our collection here, we'll see in just a moment that the sale will go live and all of our products will then be discounted to 25% off. Reload once more. Perfect. Our sale has now started and we can select any of these products, add them to cart, and proceed to checkout. And see that we receive a 25% discount with a total saving of $246 on all our products. Finally, to show you how we can control the combiner rules, I've set a 50% off discount code that won't combine with product the whole discounts. So if a customer were to use that, they'd simply receive the greater discount of 50% and they'd no longer receive the compare app discount of 25%, giving us complete control over how discounts interact with one another.